Hi, here's your BGS Michael. Today I've brought for you two fantastic sets from BGS Technique. The universal brake piston windback set and the brake bleeding wrench set from BGS Technique. The universal brake piston windback set is suitable for all vehicles with a rotary piston system. And a great feature on this product is that you have left and right rotation in one tool. The brake bleeding wrench set is suitable for motorcycles and vehicles with hydraulic clutch systems and brake systems. And best part of this product, you can work alone. We'll take a look now how both these products work directly on the vehicle. Here I already disassembled the brake pistons for you. As you can see, the piston has two indentations, just like on our tool. They have to be exactly aligned on top of the other. Please also make sure that you are looking for right or left and choose the same direction as your pistons. Now you can easily reset the piston. Just saw how we changed the brake pads. At the same time we can bleed the air from the brake system. To do this, we take the brake bleeding wrench set from BGS Technique. Put it on. Please make sure that there is always enough brake fluid in the top of the tank, otherwise refill some. Here at the demonstration I have removed the wheel for you, but you can also bleed the brake system without any problems with a mounted wheel. Small tip on the side, when pushing the brake pedal, make sure that it is not completely pressed, since you can damage the main brake cylinder. The universal brake piston windback set and the brake bleeding wrench set is an absolute dream team for your workshop.